channel, or hello. Hi if you're new here, welcome. My name is Fiona, it's so nice to meet you. So today's video I'm bringing you a testing the Tatcha the Silk Canvas Primer and giving you a review on my thoughts and feelings, showing you how it works on my skin and just giving you an overall, is it worth it? Is it worth £42? So I'm going to be showing you how it works on my skin. I have normal to dry skin and just showing you the results and my feedback and my review basically, and it's a bit like a get ready with me today. Yeah, I hope you're excited for this video and I'm super psyched for it as well. If you enjoy it then please give a big thumbs up and subscribe if you're new here. I'd absolutely love it if you could stick around. And yeah, let's get straight on into this testing with Silk Canvas Primer by Tatcha video. So getting straight into this video and testing out a brand new makeup product. So first of all, I've gone for an extra colourful look and we've gone for extra lashes, we've gone for extra makeup. Just a creative look that I wanted to do using the Beauty Bay X Nikki Tutorials palette, which is brand new to me if you've seen my Beauty Bay video. So yeah, this was a really hard look to do. I'm not actually like that happy with it because it is a pressed pigment palette and I find pressed pigments really hard to work with, so I'm not overly happy with it, but hey, we're testing a face product today. So today I want to be testing the Tatcha. This is the Silk Canvas Primer. Everyone raves about this and if it's that good I'm going to try it. So I'm not really a primer person myself, but if it's raved to be the best primer around, I'm gonna go ahead and try it. So as well, this is not a pajama top before anyone says anything. This is Angel Collection, just representing. Love this jumper, but it kind of does look like a pajama top on camera for some reason. It's a Lush jumper and I bought it with my own money. Love it. So I thought I'd go through online some of the stuff that Tatcha says about this primer. So this is the Tatcha the Silk Canvas Primer. It's a bestseller and it's £42. So it is recommended for all skin types, uneven texture, fine lines and wrinkles and pores. So why does this product work? This is a multitasking, skin protecting, makeup perfecting primer for face, eyes and lips. It blurs with the silk extracts and it feels nourishing on the skin. It primes with the silk powder, making makeup glide on more evenly and last longer. It's anti-pollution and it also enhances the skin since it has a pink and gold pearl that helps even out skin tone for a healthy look on your skin, and it is anti-aging since it's a trinity of Japanese superfoods, green tea, rice and algae, and it visibly restores a youthful radiance. So that sounds absolutely unreal. So it is super popular. Everyone talks about the Tatcha Silk primer and I'm super excited to use it today. So I know I've already unboxed this on my beauty box unboxing, but I just thought I'd show you the packaging. So as you can see, it is a lovely purple and it comes out and glides out and it is in there with its own little spatula, which is super cute. So £42 is on the higher end for a primer, however it does come with a spatula. So taking the lid off this product, I haven't opened it or used it or anything since the unboxing video. I confirm it still smells like a spa. So as you can see, it actually matches my sleeve with the actual colour of the first product. So it's like a nice pinky colour and I'm excited to use this and share my review on how it works with my makeup over the top of it as well. So I've just taken a small amount off the primer itself. It has a really nice creamy texture to it already. So I don't know if you can see that. So I don't know if you're meant to use it with a brush or a sponge, but I'm going to use my hands. Okay, might have used too much. So I might have used too much, however it is feeling ultra nice on my skin right now. It's feeling super moisturizing, and can I just say this smells actually insane. It smells so good. So I'm just going to hit all the areas of my face. Because I've done my eye makeup already, I'm trying not to go too near my eyes. But I can already tell you that feels super smooth on the skin. It was actually unreal, like so soft. Okay, so I've just got my mirror out just to give you some opinions of the primer so far. So I probably should have done the one side bare and then shown you the difference on the other side. But I can already tell you that my pores look super smoothed out, super like filled in. My skin feels super smooth, like so smooth. I've used it on my lips as well. And I can tell a massive difference because I do my skincare every single morning, so I can see what my pores look like that day. So yeah, I'm super happy with how this primer is looking so far, but the real test is seeing how it works with the makeup on top. I can already tell that it's definitely smoothed out some fine lines and wrinkles, definitely smoothed out the skin. I'm really loving the appearance that it's given, and I'm loving this so far. So definitely it is a really nice consistency, really nice blurring effect, smoothing effect, and it is anti-aging so far in the sense of blurring out those fine lines of wrinkles. So as well with the properties and ingredients, it is really good for anti-aging, so I'm looking forward to using this primer over time, hopefully not getting addicted to it because that's £42, but if it's worth the money then it is worth the money. So let's see how it goes with the foundation and everything on top. So if you want to skip ahead to the review, you can skip ahead to that, otherwise let's do my base and finish off this makeup look. Okay, so since we've used the Tatcha Silk Canvas Blur Primer, for foundation I'm going to be using the L'Oreal Infallible 24 Fresh Wear in 290 and the L'Oreal True Match in 6.N Honey. So I'm going to mix these together. This is an old school matchup, as you know, and apply this onto the skin. Okay, so I've just blended in that a little bit. I don't know if you can tell, but I'm looking super glowy for one, and B, my foundation is sitting on top of the skin. Like, this primer is not letting my skin absorb any of the foundation, which is wait for it, real. Oh my god, like I've used too much foundation because this primer is not letting my skin soak up any of the foundation, which is actually amazing. This is why I always tell like my skincare clients to double cleanse, because your foundation can seep into the skin. Using this primer, I don't think that's going to be a problem for you if it gets into your pores, because this is not letting it go anywhere near my skin, and it's looking so glowy. I don't know if you can actually see. It looks absolutely glowing on my skin. Okay, so foundation is on and I'm gonna shout from the rooftops about how good this primer is. Like, I would not rave about this primer if it wasn't like that good. It is absolutely unreal. Like, my foundation has never looked this good before just with foundation on. Like, it is so good, and I think I'm actually going to save it for a special occasion because the look and appearance it actually gives. Like, I want to use this when I want to look flawless. But yeah, it's actually so good. So definitely like special occasions, if you want to look flawless, wear this underneath your makeup. You will look so sick, and I can't wait to do the rest. So I'm going to move on to concealer. So for concealer, using my good old fave, this is the L'Oreal Infallible. I've raved about this concealer since the start. It is my favourite drugstore concealer. It's in the shade Vanilla, which is 326 for anyone wondering. I also like the shade Cashmere. I like to switch between the two, but this is such a high quality concealer. It's so good, and yeah, I love it so much. And then to blend that out, I'm going to be using my By Beauty Bay microfiber sponge to blend this out. It's a really nice small sponge for doing like concealer work. Under my tattoos, there's a remedy. And the way you go, baby, don't you know there's a remedy, yeah. Moving on to contour, I'm going to be using one that I haven't used in an actual while. This is the Sosu by Suzanne Jackson. This is the contour stick in the shade Dark. I don't know why I stopped using this. I think it might have been because it was like a bit more summery. I wanted more of a warmer tone. This is a very deep tone. So I'm going to go ahead and contour, but the concealer has done really well with this primer. It looks absolutely seamless. Nothing bad to say about this primer, you know. So I'm just going to go ahead and contour. And then blend it out with my huge Real Technique sponge. And And then for my nose contour, I'm going to be using the Spectrum B04. If you haven't already tried a small angle brush for your nose contour, this is going to be your lifesaver. Like I said, I just do like a few lines, and then I just like to use this to buff out the bottom first, and then I just like to go up the sides, and then if it does get a bit messy, I'll just go back in with some concealer and just tidy it up. But yeah, literally a angled brush is going to be your best friend when it comes to nose contour. And then I'm just going back in with my sponge just to blend out any harsh lines with my nose contour. Okay, so I've just tidied up my eyeshadow by using a bit of yellow from the Nikki Tutorials palette. I'm going to be using the I Heart Revolution Peach Powder just to set my under eye, and it makes such a difference, and just areas that I like to set. Again, with the primer underneath, I definitely can see a big difference around my smile line area. They're usually prominent in other foundations and powder combos, but they are looking very smooth and less prominent than they usually are, so I'm really happy with this primer. So as you can tell, I've had a powder spillage, so everything's covered in powder now. So this is the H&B Cosmetics bronzer. This is in the shade 05. I love this shade. This is in the shade medium deep, and I'm just going to use this to bronze my skin. Bronzer on, love it, love it, love it. I'm not going to bake today, so I'm just going back over with my baking brush though, the one where I've applied all my setting powder. I'm just going to like neaten up where it may have come down a little. Blusher today, I'm going to be using a throwback. This is the Milani Luminoso blusher, and I'm going to be using my Trigwell Cosmetics T03. Whoa, that is pigmented. I've forgotten how pigmented this blusher actually is. Oh my god, it is actually insane. With this blusher as well, I completely forgot how good the actual glow is with this blusher. It is insane. My sister's going crazy since we've got new chickens. They are hatching right now. I'll have to update you on that. I am filming a video, but they are hatching right now. It's so exciting, but I don't want to read the next video. But yeah, they're hatching, and if you can hear her screaming in the background, then that's her talking about the chicks. So I'm just going to quickly spritz my face because I'm feeling a little bit dry. This is the Makeup Obsession Dewy Fix Spray. And then I'm going to apply the new highlighter that I have, if you can already guess what it is. This video is basically a testing new makeup products as well. So this is the Anastasia Beverly Hills Vegas Loose Highlighter. So I'm going to be using this to highlight today. Oh my god. I'm actually living for this highlighter right now. This is a pigmented highlighter, like oh my god, this is sickening. And then I'm just going to go down the bridge of my nose. I think I'm going to use it for an inner corner as well. I'm sorry, but what? This highlight is literally like death drop sickening. And I've been watching RuPaul's Drag Race, so this is actually sickening. This highlight is so bomb, goes with the look so well. I'm absolutely obsessed. Living for it. Lip line of course has to be the Sweet Tea by Morphe. And then I'm going to be pairing that with the same lip combo that I had last time. I think this is the Tea Lipstick by Beauty Bay. Such a nice combo. So I'm actually going to go in with the Morphe Bite Me lip liner, which is actually a little bit darker. I just feel like I'm going a little bit darker with this lip liner today. And then to top it all off, I'm going to be using this product. This is the HN Beauty Cosmetics. This is a lip oil in the shade number 2 Peach, and I love to use it on its own just as a lip oil, but I like to use it as a lip gloss as well because it is just so stunning, and the company is so lush. And this was actually kindly gifted to me, and I'm absolutely obsessed with it. I know I say I'm obsessed with a lot of products, but it's only the ones that are worth mentioning that I'm actually obsessed about. It's so beautiful. Best thing about this lip oil is that it can be used as a lip gloss, but also it's going to hydrate your lips, and I just love the smell of it. I could literally eat it off my lips, it's that good. So I'm going to go ahead and round off this video with my review of the Silk Canvas and give you my full opinion of this beauty product. Okay, so back with the finished look, I'm ready to give my full review on this product of the Tatcha, the Silk Canvas Primer. The big question is, do I think it's worth £42? And in conclusion of today, I definitely think it has to be worth it because of all the properties it gives and the way it's worked on the skin today. It is just amazing. It does exactly what it says on the tin. It has an amazing reputation with Tatcha skincare being unbelievably good. It blurs your skin, it reduces the signs of pores, literally protects them because, like I said, the foundation went a long way and literally sat on top of the skin. This is the canvas to make your skin look like a filter, and it's just so good. Like I said, I had problems with my smile lines. It's reduced that, and honestly, it's just made my skin look so surreal. However, if you're looking for a budget, I do know that the e.l.f. Putty Primer is a very good dupe for this. In the future, or if you want me to, I'll do a video on a comparison of them both. If you want that, then let me know down below. And since I got this for a very affordable price in the Cosmetips box and now testing this product out, I would repurchase it, and I do think it is worth spending your money on if you want to treat yourself. And I'm literally so scared I'm going to be addicted to this now, but it is literally a luxury product, so it is a luxurious purchase. So if you want to go ahead and treat yourself to add something special to your makeup kit, then I definitely recommend it. Do I think it's essential? With the properties it gives, now I think it is essential. However, I'm pretty sure you can find similar items, but I think it is very unique in its packaging and its design and its scent and its properties is just absolutely unreal. And I'm super excited to use this in my everyday makeup now, or for special occasions since we're in lockdown. But yeah, my review, it is absolutely amazing. It's worth the money and it's just a flawless product. I can't say anything bad about this product, and it comes with its own spatula. I mean, what more can you want? So that's going to go ahead and bring us to the end of this testing video and my review of the Tatcha Silk Canvas Primer. I hope you guys enjoyed it and enjoyed this look and just getting ready with me. If you'd like to see anything else that's related to this video, let me know down in the comment section. Give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already. And yeah, I'll see you in my next video, my lovelies. Bye!